Hey guys, it's week 4, finally. Um, my name's still Kayla, by the way. Discuss how you think functions are helpful to programming. Functions are amazing. Like, you can write this function out, obviously, and write all the coding and blah blah blah, get all that done. And then you can reuse it with just like a simple little line. And you don't have to rewrite anything. You don't have to write down a whole long code block and so just we're gonna end up writing like so much code, and the less we have to do, like if we could reuse a lot of it, it's less work. Not that I'm saying that I want less work or anything, but yeah. What did I find most difficult about this week? Just figuring out examples. Always figuring out examples. I did tonight have issues with uh, the class not being under my courses so I could finish my homework, so I was kind of freaking out. So that was kind of difficult. But outside of that, nothing except for just figuring out examples to do for my homework. Show an example of a conditional statement and walk us through it. The best I can come up with is my boyfriend likes to be cold. He's like a freaking personal heater. So we got the fans running and the house is about 60 or lower, and I'm like dying. I'm like a little chihuahua, just freezing. So I wear sweats all the time, and I look like a weirdo walking outside in sweats because it's like 90 degrees. So when he's not home, the AC goes off, and I can roast in my house and be happy. So it's kind of like if the house is cold, put on sweats, else roast and wear shorts. So yeah, thanks for watching. It was nice having class with you guys, even though none of us talked to each other. Bye!